team leader Varunavi Chauhan as Judge Avantika Malhotra. Now I would like to introduce Sanvi Kaushal as Advocate 1, Anvesha Katiyal from the plaintiff side. Next, I would like to introduce Ahana Sharma as Advocate 2, Mrs. Namrita Bhardwaj from the accused side. Now, I would like to introduce Ravneet Sandhu as plaintiff, Mrs. Diksha Sharma.
Lordship, the plaint is filed by the plaintiff. The plaint is that Mrs. Disha Verma has done a non-offendable offence, that is trespassing, as she has entered and thrown crops on the land of my client, Mrs. Diksha Sharma.
Have you received a copy of plaint, Mrs. Namita?
Yes, Your Honor. I have received it and I have gone through it.
Mrs. Namita Bhardwaj, the plaint is filed against you.
Lordship, I have filed written statement against the claim. Lordship, the content para is not correct. It is false.
Keep your voice up.
Lordship, with your keen permission, may I have the property papers?
Permission granted.
Lordship, these documents are the fake printouts as they do not have the signature of Patwari.
Objection, Your Honor. I guess getting out of the sense.
Your Honor, limits are being crossed.
Order. Kindly maintain the decorum of the court.
Lordship, with your keen permission, may I have Mrs. Diksha in the witness box?
Permission granted.
Greetings, Your Honor.
A brief intro to be provided, Mrs. Diksha.
Sure, I am a resident of Palampur, currently working in Road. I oath that I will say nothing but the truth.
A brief intro to be provided, Mrs. Diksha.
Sure, I am a resident of Palampur, currently working as an employee in a private company.
How often you visited your hometown?
I visit my hometown once or twice in a year.
So, Mrs. Diksha, as you said that you visited your hometown once or twice in a year, so haven't you seen my client Mrs. Disha Verma growing saplings on your land plot? Why are you late to take an action?
Actually, as I mentioned before, I visit my hometown very often, so I didn't pay much attention.
Can you proceed?
Even half of my land got buried.
Please step back, Mrs. Diksha.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I swear I will say this.
Please provide a brief introduction of yourself.
I am Disha Verma, a resident of Tehsil Court 5. I work as an ASHA worker and side by side I am from
From how many years have you been crops on that land?
from last 10 years.
Please proceed, Mrs. Disha.
According to my property papers, I have grown crops in my own area and thus never been in such dispute.
Please talk about counsel and step back.
Your Honor, we have the property papers that are given to us by the Patwari, so they can't be wrong. It shows that their documents are fake printouts.
Objection, Your Honor. How can she judge my client with a statement?
Kindly continue with the bail.
Your Honor, with your keen permission, may I have Mrs. Namrita in the witness box?
Permission granted.
Please, Your Honor. I swear in the presence of God that the evidence I will give to the court shall be the truth.
Mrs. Namita, what is the relation with Mrs. Disha?
Mrs. Disha Verma is my close relative and we have a maximum farms together.
Keep your words up, Mrs. Namita.
She has been growing crops in the same amount of land since last 12 years.
Mrs. Namrita, remember you are under oath. No lies.
She has not grown any crop on Mrs. Diksha's land, and it is so barren that no crop will be grown on that land. I even have some contributions. With your keen permission, can they be called?
Don't volunteer explanation for your answer. Please move.
Objection, Namita, and it's a relationship between each other. So it can be clearly judged from it that even if Mrs. Disha would be wrong, Mrs. Namita will support her and to maintain their relation.
Marked as evidence.
Your Honor, it's a great nuisance to embarrass my client's relative like this in the witness box. It shall not be allowed.
Continue with the bail.
Your Honor, now may I have Mrs. Devangi Mission in the witness box?
Permission granted.
In the presence of God, that the evidence I shall give to the court shall be the truth. A brief intro to be provided, Mrs. Devangi.
I, Devangi Mishra, am a family friend of Mrs. Diksha Sharma.
So, Mrs. Devangi, I rather know that you have come here with a false excuse, but still, I'll ask. Have you seen any evidence that proves my client Mrs. Disha Verma has done illegal harvesting?
I have a field just behind the field of Mrs. Diksha Sharma.
Keep your voice up. Well, Mrs. Diksha Verma has some insufficient amount of land. That's why she grew crops on Mrs. Disha Sharma's land. Move, Mrs. Diha. Thank you.
That has been divided equally amongst Mrs. Disha Verma and Mrs. Diksha Sharma. That is 75 bigha each.
Objection, Your Honor. Out of 150 bigha land, 80 bigha land comes under my client's property and their share is 70 bigha.
Your Honor, I have proof for my words, and the proof are these property papers.
Kindly hand me the property papers.
Your Honor, I am also not lying. I too have proof for my words and the proof is these property papers.
After going through these property papers, neither of them is wrong, as both of them are having the signatures of Tehsildar.
So, Your Honor, to clear all this confusion, let us call Tehsildar.
Mrs. Vandana, the
Louder. I am Vandana Radha Tehsildar and I have signed both the property papers of Shah and Diksha.
Is there any other information that you could provide?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Please move on. The Patwari to appear in the witness box.
Pray to the Almighty God that whatever I say will be the truth.
So, Mr. Sunil, since how long you've been the Patwari?
Your Honor, I've been a Patwari since 2012. I am not affected that there is no justice. That the documents are fake.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor, I am sure as I have distributed the land correctly.
Check the property papers again.
As you do.
What do you notice?
My signatures are on both the property papers. Your Honor, 2 years ago, at that point of time, some misunderstanding might have occurred due to the almost same name.
Are you ready to accept your fault?
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize with my case.
Further being, kindly move.
Your Diksha comes and says that land not comes under her property. How can this be possible? And even if it is possible, my client has right to possession.
Yes, I agree.
Your Honor, the property papers was changed 2 years ago. So it's exclusive mistake as she should know about her land from time to time.
You are also correct. So, just in case to provide justice, Himachal Pradesh Land Revenue Act 1954, Section 37, deals with the maintenance and correction of the property. He would be charged under this Section 37 of the law, and just in case to provide justice, the Section 39 would also be charged upon him. So, Mr. Sunil Tiwari, you are punished. And to provide justice to plaintiff and accused, a total land of 150 bigha would be divided equally amongst both the parties, that is 75 bigha each. So, Mrs. Disha, are you ready to sacrifice 5% of your land? Are you ready? So, the court, to provide justice, Mrs. Disha has given 5% of total land to Mrs. Diksha Sharma. Are both the parties agreeing? Mrs. Disha? Mrs. Diksha? Do both the lawyers agree? Mrs. Namita? The court is adjourned.
The act is over. We can clearly see that neither Mrs. Disha nor Mrs. Diksha were found guilty, but the Patwari was. This shows that the court provides justice to all without any discrimination, no matter what the situation is. Thank you.